So welcome to the fashion styling workshop.
Hi, this is Titli Day. I'm really loving this garment, what our seniors made, and thanking Aloke sir for giving me this opportunity to be in his workshop as a model.
I'm so happy that I came here. I got to do a lot, the whole procedure, how it happens, and the workshop was really interactive.
I really like the concept, the models, they are confident what they do, and with their costumes and everything, I really enjoyed.
I enjoyed the day and I love the dresses, the makeups, the effort the students put. Our faculty have also put lots of efforts and that was amazing. Thank you.